Hello everybody, welcome to Pyathlon. In today's video, we'll be creating a visualization that's a symbol map where we can select a country and then the values in that country will be highlighted and everything else will remain the same color. So here you can see we have the Philippines selected, and the Philippines are the only orange country on our map and everything else is blue. And you can also see, we can see the Philippines in the title of our visualization. So let's change this to say the United States, and now the United States turns orange and everything else remains blue. So that's what we're going to be doing in this visualization here. So let's start a new sheet. We'll add latitude, in the columns and longitude in the rows. We're going to make those both dimensions. Alright, and now we are going to drag the amount spent into size. In this data set, you can find this on pyathlon.com. I'll put a link to that in the description. So now the next thing we need to do is go to show me, and we're just going to click the symbol map. Alright, now we have our symbol map. So now let's actually go in and start changing the colors using our parameters. So you can right click anywhere on the left side of the screen in the white space, and we're going to click create parameter. This is something the user is going to see and use, so let's give it a good descriptive name. We'll call it select a country. And the data type, we're dealing with strings because we're dealing with names of countries, so select string. And for allowable values, we're going to use a list, so you'll be able to choose from a drop-down list. So we need to tell Tableau what values do we want in our list. So we have to add values from, we're going to use the country field. And then for current value, you can set this whatever you want. This is just going to be sort of the default value. I'm in the United States, so I'll set it to United States. And that's all we need to do here. Oh, I forgot I already used this name, so I'll change this to select the country with a period. Alright, so we don't actually need this, so we can just hide that card. And we will go to and right click the parameter we just created, and we're going to click show parameter. Alright, so now you can see United States is selected, but nothing actually happened. And that's because we actually need to create a calculated field and then drag that calculated field to color in order to see our change. So once again, right click on the left side of the screen, and we're going to create a calculated field. What you call this is less important. I'll call this selected country, the period. And then inside of it, we're just going to do country equals selected country, the name of our parameter. So we have the name of the field we're filtering, and we set that equal to the parameter we just created. And you can click OK. Alright, now this select country, this is what you're going to drag into color. And now you can see the United States is highlighted. So let's change this to, let's change this to Canada. And now you can see Canada is highlighted. Alright, so the last thing I want to do in this visualization is give it an informative title. So we're going to call it spending by country, because that's what we're looking at here. And we also want to be able to see the highlighted country in the name of our title. And to do that, you can go to Insert, and you'll be able to see parameters.select the country, the parameter we just created. So click that, and then click OK. And now you can see the country is in our title. And if you change it, let's say back to the United States, then you can see the country that's highlighted changes and our title changes. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, then please like, comment, and subscribe. You can also find us on Instagram and Twitter at Pyathlon. And you can also visit us on pyathlon.com and download the data set used in this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.